Right, an elephant is quite easy to draw because it's built up mainly of egg shapes. So if you start off and draw a big kind of fat egg shape for the body, like this, okay, going right round, right, and then to that, just about here, add another egg shape, which you can see is the head, okay, and of course to that you could add the shape of the trunk, and then yet another egg shape about here, which as you can see will be the ear, right, and another egg shape would appear kind of in there behind the head, and the legs. Now the legs are like columns, if you like. Imagine an egg balanced in 4 columns and you've got an elephant. So one column here, and there's the knee, carrying on down to the kind of ankle and the spread foot of the elephant. You know, elephants' legs are surprisingly long, so don't make them too short, you know. Come down like that on the other side, spread out at the bottom, and then the other columns at the back, the legs down to the knee, down to the ankle area, spread it out, the big clumpy feet, and the one at the back here, like that. Okay, and then finish off by adding elephant's tail. Okay, and then you have your elephants. Now, what we're going to do now, of course, we're going to move to the easel, and we're going to use the same technique of these shapes to create a cartoon character elephant. So, let's do it. Okay, right, I've drawn those shapes again, but this time, of course, because we're creating a cartoon character, I've exaggerated them. I've made the head a lot bigger, more oval shaped, and the legs a wee bit longer, okay? Because I want to create a character, I want to create a kind of bouncy, happy-go-lucky elephant, okay? Right, we'll start with the eyes. Right, nice big, expressive eyes. Nice big open eyes like that. Right, the other eye over here, I won't finish it off because this part's coming behind the trunk. The trunk comes out about here, okay? And you can kind of wiggle the line a little bit, you know, to suggest wrinkles. And a wrinkly trunk coming down like that, and down on this side with the end like that, okay. The next thing I would do would be to perhaps put in the top of the head. Trying to get a little bit of character this, so perhaps, you know, a wee bit of a hair springing up to give it character, like that, okay. And his other ear coming in behind his trunk, about there, that kind of slightly egg shape. A few lines in there. And I would put a couple of tusks in, right. Now I'll tell you, there's a nice wee tricky thing here we can do. We can use the actual curve of the tusk here, like that, to indicate the top of the smiley mouth. Okay, so the mouth would come underneath here, but the curve of the tusk gives you the impression that the elephant's smiling. A nice happy grin, like that. Okay, right, and the other elephant's tusk would come in about here, like that. Excellent. Now we can give him some eyebrows. Yep, you know, happy-go-lucky elephant. We can add some detail at this point. You know, we could put the lines around the top of the trunk coming like that, curving that way. As you get down to the middle, they start to curve the other way, like that, down to the bottom. Right, let's add the ear. A wee bit wrinkly, you know, coming down like that, and a little point there, and double up on the ear, and a couple of lines in there, okay. And the back, this big fat egg shape coming round like that, and then appearing underneath and coming up to the elephant's chest there, okay. Now the legs, you know, nice thick tree trunk type legs, and keep the wrinkles going as you come down. A lot more wrinkled at the knees, you know. Imagine that elephant's wearing a pair of really wrinkled jeans at the knees, you know, like that. Okay, there we are. And the big toenails coming in. Another one coming in there, more wrinkly knees. Another foot and a couple of toenails. And first back leg coming in there. And wiggle your lines again. And then down like that, down to the big feet, exaggerate that foot shape. Big toes, you know, and other foot coming in about there. And the little tail coming out like that. Okay, there we have our nice, smiley, happy-go-lucky elephant. Okay, now what about some of these guidelines here? And hope you can join me in the next few episodes where I'll be showing you how to draw and create even more cartoon animals. Okay, in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.